Day 11 of the 30-day baking soda challenge. Now, I've been doing this every single day, Monday and night, but every so often I feel extremely sleepy, so I just don't record. But I do it every single night. So, this is day 11. I'm gonna brush my teeth again with just baking soda. Alright. As always, on canvas. Baking soda. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Well, I think I'm gonna get used to it. Rag. Oh man. Anyways. That's closet warm light, but here's daylight. Still kinda alright. Regardless. Gums look pretty good. Day 11 is down. Now, I don't think there's much of a difference, but like I said, I really was going from a pretty good starting point. But nonetheless, I'm going to complete 30 days and I'll have before and after comparison to see if there was a slight change in wetness. It does look though like my gums have gotten less red. It might just be my imagination. Who knows? But anyway, day 11 down. Bye.